What's up, everyone? This is Eric with Theme Options Trading, and today we're going to talk about why a trade plan is better than a trade alert. Let's look at three of the main reasons why it's better to be independent than rely on trading alerts. There's more than three, I can guarantee that, but I'm trying to condense it all into three, yet hopefully still get the point across that I'm trying to make. First, latency. The way that options move, how quickly they move, anytime an alert comes through, there's a strong chance that the move has already happened. If you enter into, yes, any trade, but specifically an options trade, a few seconds late, that can really hurt you. Your risk will be way too high, or you've already missed the move and the profit target is a lot closer than it should be, i.e., your risk to reward is horrible. This happens all the time when trading options. When I trade an options contract, I want the move to happen immediately. There's no time for me to say, oh, entered here and have the same person get the same trade as me. It's just not possible. And I have an example of this. It might work sometimes, but latency is real and will crush your risk to reward. Second, accountability. It's easy to say, oh, that trade wasn't mine. Someone else told me to do it. I'm not going to take responsibility for this money that is lost. That may be true, but you told yourself to follow that trade alert. Regardless of that, it is easy to point the finger if you're not responsible for when you enter the trade, when you exit the trade, and what your risk is. Those are up to you. You lose this accountability if you rely solely on someone else. You cannot grow as much as you should in your trading career if you do not put in the work. Yes, it's going to suck knowing that you're responsible for the loss. What do you do with that? You take it, you swallow it, get a chip on your shoulder, and get to work. Third, reliance. What happens if something happens to said person? Hopefully nothing bad, but what happens if they stop trading for some reason? Well, there goes your potential financial security or your potential financial cushion. You need to be able to learn to not rely on anyone except for yourself. Do the best traders out there use alerts? No, absolutely not. They put in the work, so you should do the same. Here is a latency trading example. I want to make this very clear. I am not trying to rag on this person here who put out this alert. This was public, it's on a public page, and it was posted on this person's account. I'm not here to start beef with anyone. This is just a show of what can happen and what should happen while entering an options contract. So, what was this alert? We have buy alert 9:30 call at 280. This happened at 6:52 a.m. This person trading on Pacific time, I'm on Central time, that's the reason for the 2 delay. When was this options contract at 280? 8:51 or 6:51. So writing out the alert took this person 1 minute. What happened during this 1 minute delay of getting the alert out? This thing went from 281 all the way up to almost $4. So this increased 30% by the time this alert was out. What else you have to take into consideration? I know for a fact that none of this is told out ahead of time. So you need to go to your trading software, type in the stock, select which options contract you want to trade, and what strike price you want to trade. That takes time. So you have the delay of the person typing out the alert and the delay of yourself for finding the right thing to trade and purchasing it or selling it. Options alerts do not work, and this is a perfect example to show you why. This move worked out immediately, and when I trade, I want the same to happen. Sometimes you may get lucky and it takes time for the trade to work out, but you still do not need to rely on it because a trade like this will screw up your risk to reward. Another alert, buy NVIDIA. 465 call at 475. So this alert was given out pretty immediately. You still have to take into consideration it's going to take time for you to find the equity, to find the options contract you want to trade. But let's look here, 475, 631, 831. Yeah, pretty good alert. But where's the risk? Where's a profit target? Nowhere. What happens in the next 15 minutes? This thing goes from 475 to $2. It loses half of its value in less than 15 minutes. Where's your risk? Well, I don't know. There's no risk. Exactly. Yes, they got lucky and this thing reclaimed, but what if it didn't? You'd be screwed. You'd be screwed. And this is why trade alerts are horrible. You need to know, where is your risk? You need to know, when exactly are you going to enter? And you need to know where profit targets are. The three basics of any trading. If you don't have that, you're in big trouble. What am I trying to say here? A trade plan is way better. And that's what we do at Theme Options Trading. We will never give out an alert for these reasons exactly. For the trades that I have, I want them to work out immediately. Does it always happen? No, but I want them to. In addition, what else is the benefit of a trade plan? You're able to wait. You need to have patience and not force on a trade. And you can know why you're entering and know what's expected function, what's unexpected function, and how you adapt to those things. Post trade, you know what you were looking for, why you traded it. You knew the math made sense. Let's review it. I can guarantee you it is a lot more of effective review if you were waiting for a specific trade to happen rather than reviewing an alert later. Trade plan over trade alerts 100% of the time. Don't fall for the same trap I did, relying on trade alerts in the beginning of your career. You will waste time and potentially even blow up your account, which I almost nearly did. Thank you for listening. This is it. If you agree or disagree, leave a comment. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and visit my website and apply to becoming a Theme Options Trading student in the link below. Until next time.